Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel GK with Rida. Today we are going to discuss the PMS General Knowledge Paper 2005. Question number 1. The word tsunami belongs to which language? Japanese. Question number 2. Which is the longest river of Asia? Yangtze. Question number 3. Hockey was first time played in which country? England. Question number 4. Which country is the largest contributor of UNO's budget? USA. Which country's constitution is not in written form? UK. Question number 6. The main center of Tamil activities in Sri Lanka is Jaffna. Question number 7. The first satellite sent by USA in space was Explorer. Question number 8. Where is present world's largest Greek coral reef? Australia. Question number 9. Antara is news agency of Indonesia. Question number 10. UNO called decade of 2005 to 2014 of education. Question number 11. Etymology is the science of words. Question number 12. Gandhara Art Center was situated between Sindh and Jhelum. Question number 13. Which country has oldest anthem? Japan. Question number 14. Who was first Viceroy of India? Lord Canning. Question number 15. Which day is observed on 15 May? Family Day. Question number 16. Where is the world's largest road tunnel located? Norway. Question number 17. 1 ton is equal to how many quintal? 10. Question number 18. World Wide Web was invented by Berners-Lee. Question number 19. Pakistan Day is observed on 23rd March. Question number 20. In 1893, the Durand Line Agreement was signed by King of Afghanistan, Abdul Rahman. Question number 21. Who is the father of computer? Charles Babbage. Question number 22. Which is the most abundant element present in the universe? Hydrogen. Question number 23. Spratly Islands are disputed between China and Philippines, Vietnam, Malaysia, all of these. Question number 24. Silicon Valley is the region in Santa Clarita country of California is famous for computer industry. Question number 25. Which organization is the oldest? League of Nations. Question number 26. Which continent is without glaciers? Africa. Question number 27. Which is the oldest disease of the world? Leprosy. Question number 28. Which is the largest search engine of the internet? Google. Question number 29. Braille system in the education is introduced for blinds. Question number 30. Which country produces largest solar energy in the world? China. Question number 31. Night Watch painting is painted by Rembrandt when? Question number 32. Fakhara Dam is disputed between India and Bangladesh. Question number 33. Which country uses more coal in the world? China. Question number 34. World largest bird name is ostrich. Question number 35. ATM stands for automated teller machine. Question number 36. First Muslim winner of Nobel Prize, Anwar Sadat. Question number 37. Archipelago means a cluster of island. Question number 38. Helvetia is the old name of Switzerland. Question number 39. Kigali is capital of Rwanda. Question number 40. Algebra was introduced by Al-Khwarizmi. Question number 41. Which country's religion is Shintoism? Japan. Question number 42. After Pakhtun in Afghanistan, which is the biggest group of race? Tajik. Question number 43. Playground of Europe is Switzerland. Question number 44. Which country was discovered by Abel Tasman? New Zealand. Question number 45. What is Big Ben? It is a clock. Question number 46. India is constructing a Kishan Ganga dam on the river Jhelum. Question number 47. Great Sandy Desert is located in Australia. Question number 48. Bosphorus connects the Black Sea with Marmara Sea. Question number 49. Head office of World Economic Forum is in Geneva. Question number 50. Main cause of global warming is carbon dioxide. Question number 51. When objective resolution became the part of constitution first time? 14 August 1985. Question number 52. Total period of Ottoman Empire is 1299 to 1922. Question number 53. Father of sociology is Ibn Khaldun. Question number 54. Harappa is situated on the bank of which river? Ravi. Question number 55. Total strength of Supreme Court judges in Pakistan is 17. Question number 56. There is no restriction in Deen is verse of Surah Al-Baqarah. Question number 57. Which Pakistani Prime Minister died during his office? Liaquat Ali Khan. Question number 58. The poet who was present? Faiz Ahmed Faiz. Question number 59. Where is Waterloo situated? Belgium. It is in Europe. Question number 60. Nightingale Florence was a British nurse. Question number 61. Napoleon Bonaparte was a emperor and general of France. Question number 62. Bismarck, known as Man of Blood and Iron, was a German chancellor. Question number 63. Holocaust means killing of Jews by Nazis during World War II. Question number 64. Hayat-e-Javed was written by Altaf Hussain Ali about the life of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Question number 65. Which is not the book of Allama Iqbal? Dasht-e-Saba. Question number 66. The English poet who died in his young age? Keats. Question number 67. Paradise Lost was written by John Milton. Question number 68. War and Peace was written by Leo Tolstoy. He was a Russian writer. Question number 69. Author of Clash of Civilization is H.P. Huntington. Question number 70. Where is Kremlin situated? It is situated in Russia. Question number 17. Napoleon died at which place? St. Helena. Question number 72. Period of House of Representative of USA is 2 years. Question number 73. Muslim League was created at Dhaka, Bangladesh. Question number 74. Rhinoceros found in Africa is a mammal. Question number 75. The US president who was assassinated during his office? Abraham Lincoln. 76. Rice is cultivated in which month? November. Question number 77. Chenab and Jhelum join each other at the place of Trimu. Question number 78. Where days and nights are equal all the year? Nairobi. Question number 79. The world's oldest space station is Baikonur. Question number 80. Ghulam Muhammad Barrage is situated at Kotri. Question number 81. British declared Palestine as a place for Jews in 1917. Question number 82. When water accord between the provinces of Pakistan was concluded? 1991. Question number 83. Which Punjabi month is called Mother of March? Chet. Question number 84. Babri Mosque, which was demolished in 1992, is situated at Ayodhya, UP. Question number 85. Wars of Crusade started in 1095. Question number 86. Macbeth was written by William Shakespeare. Question number 87. The Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea are joined by Suez Canal. Question number 88. Palahisar Fort was built by which Mughal king? Babur. Question number 89. Bhambor is located near Thatta. Question number 90. Which country has largest army? China. Question number 91. Main source of employment in Pakistan is agriculture. Question number 92. Which book contains poems Shikwa and Jawab-e-Shikwa? Bange Dara. Question number 93. Who was president of USA during World War I? Woodrow Wilson. Question number 94. Largest state of India according to population is Uttar Pradesh. Question number 95. ERRA stands for Earthquake Reconstruction and Rehabilitation Authority. Question number 96. CR formula was presented by Raja Gopal. Question number 97. Largest Muslim country in Africa by population is Nigeria. Question number 98. Highest literacy rate in SAARC is in Maldives. Question number 99. Largest producer of oil in OPEC is Saudi Arabia. Kindly subscribe the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching.